Myself, Prithviraju from Power Region of Webcourse, presenting you the presentation on remote inspection techniques. Background for implementation of remote inspections. You are all aware that on 30th January 2020, WHO declared the outbreak of COVID-19. In the view of the pandemic, international commercial passenger flights has been not allowed to land in India from 22nd March. Honorable PM of India has addressed the nation on this issue on 24/3, 2020, subsequently announced travel restrictions on international flights, domestic flights, trains and buses. During this pandemic, Webcourse, being a responsible organization, also committed to undertake the best possible measures following the government directives and has requested its personnel to work from home to fulfill the contractual obligations. In the view of this, Webcourse came with the idea to use the technology to perform the inspections remotely. Purpose for implementation of remote inspections. The one is to minimize the potential impact from traveling. The second one is subsequent sustainability of businesses in the wake of pandemic. The third one is protect the interest of organization in the event of travel restrictions. Comply with travel guidance issued by the government. Ensure the supplier and inspection team to provide the defect-free products. These are the purposes for implementation of remote inspections. The documents required for implementation of remote inspections. The first one is project specifications, and the second is the plan. The third one is the nominations required from the consultant, client and contractors. Approved drawings, GTP, datasheets, etc. After this one, inspection checklist and approved MQB, FAT, procedures, etc. Equipment required by all stakeholders. As the inspections are done at manufacturer's place, there are the place where the inspections are carried out. There are the equipments required are system, softwares, internet, high power internet, and the equipments to test the equipments at the manufacturer place. During this pandemic, we are at the remote stations and we can view the inspection through online by having the different means of equipments like system, laptop or tablet, having internet and the required software. In the online inspections, the role of Webcourse as given below. When the contractor submitted his FAT proposal, first we are having the review, the checklist. After the approval of that, the compatibility of the software for all the shareholders. Once it is approved, we have going the inspection as shown in the below. And we recommend the client, is it acceptable or not. Procedure for remote inspections. The offer list is being supplied with identification marks by the contractor or manufacturer. And the same calibration certificates, routine test, type test certificates are reviewed. After that, establish a link through software which are convenient by both the contractor, client, consultant, manufacturer. After the establishment of the link through software, comparing the physical equipment with the documents by requesting the manufacturer to show all the equipments with the date and serial numbers of the equipment. Once it is completed successfully, we are going to sample the offered lot as per the QAP. The tests are carried as per the approved QAP. During the inspection through online, we can record the inspection, take the snapshots of the inspection. After that, minutes are shared by all the shareholders for the approval. During this one, ensuring the consistency in the remote inspection process, we have there are the below are the required one. Samples are assembled in online visible range. Testing are conducted in online full view. Recording and snaps are collected are ensured. Exercise the rights for close view of demonstration and no limit for time. As the inspection has for the large inspections, it is may take 2 days, 3 days on this. So in this time we have the no limit for time and we can exercise the rights to close view of the equipments, etc. And here the list of inspections carried out by WAPCO's Power Division during this pandemic lockdown. Tank and cover of the power transformers, firefighting equipment, HVAC system, CCTV system, cable termination kits, cable glands, HV bushings for the project KC2 package. Busbar protection panel, FOTE equipment, NCT are conducted for KC3 package Nepal. And here is the case study of the inspection completed by the WAPCOs for the KC2 package is here. FOTE, the inspection is carried out FOTE equipment. The manufacturer is ABB India. Date of inspection is 27/5/2020. Mode is online, and we have approached for this one is Microsoft Teams. As the contractor, client and consultant are familiar with this Microsoft Teams, we have gone with Microsoft Teams. For another inspections, we have gone for Skype also. Test equipments are required are multimeter, optical power meter, optical vibrate annunciator, BER meter, power supply, thermal interferometer. Documents. The documents required are system layout, bill of material, list of space, and SLD. And in the view of this, I will show you the system layout. This is the system layout for FOTE equipment. Here in this package we have only one substation, that is Dungai Sangu substation. For that one it is connected to the Baneshwar substation of package 2. These are the equipments that are tested during this inspection. And the bill of materials are here. These are the materials that are required for this inspection and is verified through online inspection. Those are basic equipment, subracks, fan unit, control cards, STM, optical cards, patch cords, long hauls, 8-port interface cards, etc. List of spares. These are the space items which are included in the technical specifications and are provided by ABB, has been verified during this inspection. The tests that are conducted during these online inspections are listed below as per the approved QAP. These are the photographs that are taken during some of the photographs and recordings during online inspections. These are the transformers, and this is for our equipment. Thank you.